Hey there, it's Guarda, and today we're going to show you how you can start an FIO protocol in your Guarda Wallet. First of all, we're going to create a new Guarda Wallet just to demonstrate how you can create a FIO protocol. After creating your own wallet, don't forget to download a backup. Now, when you scroll down in a newly created wallet, you can see additional options that you can create. For today, we're going to buy a FIO address. First of all, choose a name for your human-readable FIO address. After pressing Next, you'll be given a choice of a wallet from which you will buy a FIO address. It can be Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin wallet. For this step, we're going to transfer some BCH onto our newly created wallet. So now, when we have some funds, let's try inputting our name for FIO address again, pressing Next, and then pressing Confirm. And that's it, our address is waiting for the network confirmation. After some time, the network will confirm our new address, and we can start integrating and linking our wallets to our new FIO address. Let us check the status. Let's scroll down and press on FIO addresses. And there we have it, our current address is active. If we're gonna press on it and then press on Manage Linked Addresses, here we can select our wallets and link them. We're going to fast forward this process. After choosing the wallets, you just press Link and you're done. Congratulations, you've successfully installed FIO protocol in your newly created Guarda Wallet. And thank you for watching this instructional video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and check out Guarda.com for more information about cryptocurrency.